the history and quick microwave recipe for mochi. Soft, chewy, and irresistibly delicious, mochi has been a beloved treat in Japan for over 1,000 years. But did you know that you can make it at home in just a few minutes using a microwave? That's right. Today, we're diving into the history, culture, and economics of mochi, and of course, I'll show you how to make it yourself in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Mochi dates back to the Heian period in the year of 794 to 1185 CE, or Common Era in Japan, where it was originally made through mochitsuki, a labor-intensive process that involved pounding glutinous rice into a smooth, stretchy dough. But thanks to modern kitchen technology, we can now skip the heavy lifting and use a microwave. So, how did this happen? Microwave ovens became popular in the 1970s and 80s, and with them came shortcuts to many traditional dishes, including microwave mochi, an easy, accessible way to enjoy this ancient treat. Mochi isn't just a snack, it's deeply rooted in Japanese traditions. Japanese New Year, Ashigatsu. Mochi symbolizes prosperity and longevity. Families display kagami mochi before eating it for good luck. From Hinamatsuri, Girls' Day, to cherry blossom season, Hanami, different types of mochi are enjoyed throughout the year. Today, mochi has evolved beyond Japan. We see it in Hawaiian butter mochi, mochi donuts, and even mochi brownies. Mochi's rise in popularity is thanks to globalization, social media, and its naturally gluten-free appeal. And that brings us to the demand for mochi has skyrocketed. Here's why. Making mochi at home is cheap. All you need is mochiko flour, sugar, and water. Brands like Mikoaya, My Mochi, and Bubby's have turned mochi into a multi-million-dollar industry. Social media influencers drive the demand for DIY mochi, boosting its presence in grocery stores worldwide. But enough talk. Let's get hands-on and make microwave mochi right now. Here's what you need. 1 cup mochiko, sweet rice flour, 3/4 cup water, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract optional, cornstarch for dusting, filling optional red bean paste, peanut butter, Nutella, or ice cream. Now, let's get cooking. Step 1. Mix the batter. In a microwave-safe bowl, whisk together mochiko, sugar, and water until smooth. Add vanilla extract for extra flavor, optional. Make sure there are no lumps. Smooth batter equals smooth mochi. Step 2. Microwave in intervals. Cover loosely with plastic wrap. Microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir well, then microwave for another 30 seconds. Repeat until the mixture is translucent and stretchy. Total, 2 to 3 minutes. The magic happens fast. Stir between intervals so it cooks evenly. Step 3. Dust and shape. Dust a surface with cornstarch and transfer the hot mochi onto it. Roll out and cut into squares or circles. Add fillings if desired. And that's it. Fresh, chewy microwave mochi, ready in minutes. If you're craving mochi but don't want to make it, here are some top brands to check out or some of the best places to pick up some mochi. Mikoaya, original creators of mochi ice cream. Mochidoki, artisanal mochi with gourmet flavors. My Mochi, soft, chewy, and widely available. Bubby's, Hawaiian mochi ice cream with premium ingredients. Fujetsudo, Los Angeles, California. Handmade mochi since 1903. Minamoto Kichoin, New York, New York. Famous for traditional wagashi. Two Ladies Kitchen, Hilo, Hawaii. Known for fresh, fruity mochi. Mochi is incredibly versatile, so tell me, would you like a chocolate-filled mochi recipe or a savory cheese mochi twist? Drop your choice in the comments below. Do you love learning about food history? Then hit subscribe to Knowledge Void and ring that bell so you never miss a bite. Want exclusive content and behind-the-scenes access? Join my Patreon, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious deep dive.